I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your security settings on TD Ameritrade is straightforward once you know where to look. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Client Services tab located at the top of the page. From there, select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Account Settings section, look for the Security or Security Settings option. Click on it to view your current security configurations. Step 4. Update your preferences. Here, you can change various security settings like two-factor authentication, security questions, and login alerts. Make your desired changes and save them. Note, if you enable two-factor authentication, ensure your phone number is up to date to receive verification codes. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving your changes, you may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox to ensure everything is set up correctly. By following these steps, you can easily update your security settings on TD Ameritrade. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy trading!